Welcome to my channel Kodamugen.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today in this video, right, as you have seen from the thumbnail, so we'll see how Perplexity AI has helped me uh, to get the lowest fare and to analyze any train ticket, flight ticket fare. Okay, basically whatever travel that we are doing, right? So what are the prompts that we will give and how the analysis Perplexity will do, and what is the output that we will get, which will be useful for us. Okay, so to see that, right, first we'll go to the Google and we'll type for uh, Perplexity AI. So the first link comes in, right? Just click here. Okay, so I have already created the prompt. I have multiple prompts actually. So I'll just try with one of the prompts. Okay, so I have this particular prompt for the flight booking. Okay, so I'll just copy this. Maybe I'll put this prompt and then we'll go through what I have given. Okay, so first we'll go to the prompt actually. So what I'm giving, the content, what I'm going to do. Basically, I'm going to travel. It is a planned travel from Bangalore to Delhi on a particular date. Okay. So what are the things that you're looking for? For example, here I'm looking for the flight. Okay. So I'm given the criteria here. I'm looking for the flight with the below criteria. So the class preference is economic and then direct. Okay, so and I'm giving some additional information as well as I want the result to be formatted in a way which I want to analyze it. Okay, so I'm giving the prompt. Okay, search multiple flight booking apps, compare the prices of the same flight. This is very important. So you have multiple flight booking apps, right? You might not know which app is having the lesser fare. Okay, in different apps and then give me the lowest price based on, I mean, not only price, whatever the criteria we are given. So if you see, right, also check in the airline's own website using same flight number to compare. So this is very, very important. Why? Because you are comparing it with the flight booking website like Make My Trip or Go Ibibo, whatever apps or website you have, right? And then you are comparing it with the airline's own website. Sometimes, right, the airline own website will have lesser fare than the other booking websites actually. So, and then we want to give our result in a tabular format. So what and all we want, we are giving in here. So what is a flight operator? What is a start time? Lowest fare found app slash web. Lowest fare found. What is a fare? And then highest fare found. Highest fare found app and web, and then notes. So it will give you some additional description on it actually. So what it has done, if you see, this is the answer it has given. It has taken around 10 source. You can see here, right, different website, IRCTC, Flight Mojo, INVIA, and then Ease My Trip, Skyscanner, Air India, Bangalore, Clear Trip, Make My Trip, everything. So steps, whatever it has done, it will come in here. So now what we'll do, we'll jump into the answer. Okay. So this is a generic thing. So whatever it has compared, right, it has given these things. And then if you go here, it has given the flight operator. You can see where it has given very promptly. Okay, so with this you can easily compare it. Okay, so you can see here for the same flight, right, start time is what it has just put in here. Okay, and then lowest fare found app. So you can see here. Okay, so it went here. So if you see here, two sources, it has Make My Trip as well as another Clear Trip. Okay, so and then lowest fare found is here, and then whatever the highest fare that you are seeing here also, it is from the Make My Trip only. Okay, I mean, in some cases, right, you won't have offer all these things, right? That is why it is giving both as a same app or web. Now we'll go to the Air India. So if you take this Air India flight operator, right, here you can see here, highest fare found is given in the Make My Trip and Air India, and lowest trip is, I mean, amount is given in the Make My Trip and Air India. Like that, it will give another notes also, whatever, I mean, as we requested, right? Air India websites show slightly higher starting fares for economy. Okay, Air India shows higher starting fares actually. So it is like it has compared the lowest fare as well as the highest fare, like that for the SpiceJet and another airline, right? Akasha Air. Okay, so it has given all the details. Also, this is the analysis it has given. Fare on major apps versus airline sites. So the lowest fare found on the apps on Make My Trip, Skyscanner, Clear Trip, iXigo for the direct economic flights. Okay. Also, it has given the what is the economic flight approximate fare. It is costing from 5,250 to 5,575. So with this, you can clearly, I mean, get an idea which is my lowest fare. So which one I can book. For example, if you want to do this manually, right, you need to take the flight number, you need to compare it with multiple website, get the data, note down, and then book it. So with this, we clearly get the complete information. Okay. Also, what it will do, direct bookers can expect cheap economic classes, all these suggestions, right? Whatever notes or whatever we wanted to select, all this information it will give. Also, some other related prompts, right? Whatever it is having, it will give. So now what will do, I have same similar kind of prompt for the train booking. Okay, so I'll just copy that. uh, I'll put it here. Okay, now we'll see what it is giving for the train. So here, whatever categorization you are giving, right, if it is travel, you can give these preferences. For example, if you're going by bus, you can mention what time you want to start. Okay, so what is the lowest fare, what is the shortest duration. So all the criteria that you want to pinpoint and specific, sleeper or non-AC. So whatever you want to give, you can give here. So for the travel booking, if you see here, I'm just searching from Delhi to Bangalore on 2nd December. I'm giving the class preference. I'm not giving 2 AC, first AC or other trains that we have, right? I'm just giving sleeper and then 3 AC and then preference is direct. I don't want to deboard in some station and then board another train to go to my destination. Okay, so similar way, right? You have your answers, you have your images, you have your sources, whatever it has searched. So this will give you a clear information. If you see here, it has given you the train name, what is the departure time, class, what is the lowest fare found, I mean app, and then what is the lowest fare. Here also it has given app, and then this one. We have given 3 AC, but it has searched for the 3 economic also. Okay, third class economic, where it will be like 4 rows in a sleeper, right? Which with AC, and then highest fare found. So like that, what are the trains you have? So it will give you a complete information on your travel. So which one you can choose. Okay, so how, what is the schedule for it? For example, we have given notes, right? We want the notes to be give a description or what is happening. So this is only weekly on Wednesday. Okay, Krishnarajapuram arrival. If you see, this is going to the Bangalore city. If you see here, it is going to Yeshwantpur arrival, fastest direct option. If you see, this Duranto is the fastest train compared with this one. But fare wise, if you see, right, for this particular train, we have the lowest fare as well as the highest fare. And then we have Rajdhani and then other express. Also, it will give you the fares apps. I mean, fares on apps versus the official railway website. It means IRTC as well as your train booking apps, right? Both are being compared. It has given some notes also like this, right? You can give for your hotel booking, you can give for your bus booking. So whatever booking you want to book, right? For example, if you want to book a movie ticket, you can specify it. We have different apps, right? Now we have district came in and different apps are there, Paytm ticket. So it will compare everywhere and give you the detail with whatever the lowest and highest price and whatever the criteria we are giving. Also, we can add some more criteria here to give the offer also. What are the bank offers we have? So everything will list here. Okay, so I have multiple prompts. If you see, right, I have many prompts for this one. Also, I have created a prompt for different one: bus booking, cab booking, everything. Okay, so I'll give my Instagram ID, Facebook ID at the end of the video, also in the description. So whoever wants these kind of prompts, right, you can directly DM me in Facebook or Instagram. I'll give the prompts. The only thing is you need to like this video, comment on this video on the social media platforms. Okay, so we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.
Like, share, subscribe to my channel.